Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I'm gonna start doing a series, probably like a weekly series. New episode comes out every week. It's gonna be called weekly tutorials. So basically, I'm just gonna try and teach you guys the best way I can. Different tricks on the trampoline. Maybe after this is done, I'll do tricks on ground. But yeah, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do a kaboom. Well, in case you guys don't know what a kaboom is, this is it. Yeah. It's basically a backflip from your back, and you slap your feet and use that momentum to go into a backflip. Do a single backflip, double backflip, triple backflip, maybe even a quad backflip. Get right into it. So basically, you're going to start off by landing on your butt and letting your feet slap down. You don't need to worry about height right now. Like that. And try and go to your back. So, like I said, just go from your back, like that. Make sure you land on your butt first, let your feet slap, like that. So basically, next step is to start going on your back. Now don't jump into this, because then you're just gonna go over. It should look something like this. Start from standing and do that. And then you should really feel the momentum from your feet slapping push you back over. So like this. Yep, there you go. Honestly, there's two ways to do that. So there's basically your legs are straight and you just let them flop down. And then there's a way where you are right here and you're going down, and as soon as your back hits, you extend out and tuck in. I would recommend that for once you've got your kaboom more down. But yeah, because that one's, I like doing that personally for more like double kabooms. So basically, what I would recommend for you guys trying is this way. Like that. Just go straight down on your back, let your feet come out, and then just slap and pull in. Like this. And then immediately tuck and pull. If you do that, you're definitely gonna go over. You might not land it, but you should be fine. It doesn't really matter, but if you can, maybe get somebody to double onto you, but it won't make too much of a difference. And then once you've started, spamming those and getting consistent with that type of kaboom, then you can move on with like this type. See how much more momentum I got? I would do a double kaboom for you guys, but I'm more comfortable doing them with at least one double bronzer. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial. I got this idea from my friend. I am Tegan Thorne. His name's Tegan. Yeah, I got this idea from him. So I'll leave a link to his channel in the description. So yeah, keep an eye out for more of these. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next week. Have a good one.